Are you confused between CMMS and EAM for your manufacturing needs? Let's start by breaking down the role of a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, in manufacturing. A CMMS is essentially your dedicated maintenance management ally. It's designed to handle everything in the realm of maintenance, from proactive and preventive steps to work order management and inventory control. This system aims to streamline all of these aspects, ensuring that your manufacturing process runs as smoothly as possible. In essence, a CMMS is your go-to tool for all things maintenance in manufacturing. But why use a CMMS? What are the benefits? Well, let's dive in. The beauty of a CMMS lies in its ability to streamline maintenance tasks. It can drastically cut down on downtime, which in the manufacturing world is a game changer. Not to mention, it can lead to significant cost savings, but that's not all. A CMMS also ramps up efficiency, helping your team work smarter, not harder. And let's not forget data-driven decision-making. With a CMMS, you're armed with valuable insights that can help shape your strategy. Indeed, a CMMS can significantly enhance your manufacturing operations. But what about enterprise asset management, or EAM? Beyond the maintenance sphere, EAM comes into play, taking a holistic approach to manage the entire asset lifecycle while considering the total cost of ownership. It's like having a bird's-eye view of your assets. From establishing asset hierarchies, managing budgets, to planning out work, EAM has got it covered. It's not just about maintenance, it's about getting the most out of your assets, ensuring they're performing at their best, and making decisions based on comprehensive data. To sum up, EAM is about optimizing asset performance and making informed decisions. Now, let's compare CMMS and EAM in terms of scope and functionality. A CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System, focuses on maintenance management. It excels in areas like proactive and preventive maintenance, work order management, and inventory management. On the other hand, an EAM, or Enterprise Asset Management System, takes a more comprehensive approach. It manages the entire asset lifecycle, includes features like asset hierarchies, budget management, and work planning. It's crucial to note the importance of integrating these systems with other applications for a seamless workflow. In short, both CMMS and EAM have their unique strengths, and it's about finding the right fit for your needs. So, how do you choose between CMMS and EAM? Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. The key is understanding your manufacturing needs and goals. Consider the size of your operations. Smaller businesses might benefit from the simplicity and focus of a CMMS, while larger enterprises might need the comprehensive approach of an EAM. Think about the nature of your assets. Are they mostly physical, or do you also deal with digital assets? Lastly, consider your budget. While EAM offers a broader scope, it might also come with a higher price tag. Remember, the best choice is the one that aligns with your manufacturing needs. As you can see, both CMMS and EAM can provide significant benefits to your manufacturing operations. In conclusion, the choice between CMMS and EAM comes down to your unique manufacturing needs. Remember, CMMS excels in maintenance management, while EAM manages the entire asset lifecycle. Both systems offer distinct benefits to optimize your manufacturing process. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Until next time, stay efficient and keep manufacturing.